We're going to have a look at work restraint and also the use of fall arrest lanyards and the combination of the two here. As always, we work in a height, we need to find a suitable and sufficient anchor point that's going to be robust enough for the task in hand. We could use our twin-legged fall arrest lanyards in a position like this where I've got an exposed edge. As I move out towards the edge, I've obviously got a risk of falling, and that's not ideal. We're trying to avoid that wherever we possibly can. We could use the lanyard on a different anchor point, and that way it would prevent me from getting to the edge. It would start to operate in a restraint system. The problem I've got is I've got a fixed length of the lanyard. I don't have the adjustability to actually get to the point of work. So we might use one of these adjustable rope or webbed lanyards. Very simple device. We find an anchor point, we connect onto it, and we're able to pull in the slack rope. And then when we put weight against it, it locks off. And there's usually a button, a lever or a catch that allows us to open the cam up. When we let go, it locks off. So that allows us to change the length and change the position, which allows me to get into a much more suitable restraint system. The key thing with restraint is we should never be in a position where we can fall when we're working in restraint. Because of that, we don't need an energy absorbing lanyard in the system because we can't fall, so it's not fall arrest, it's work restraint. So we could use a combination of things. I could leave my fall arrest lanyards attached, should I want to, until I'm set up and organised, and then I can take them off and park them on an appropriate place on the harness. I'm in a position now where I'm safe. I'm going to adjust out towards the edge, and I'm then in a position now where I can't actually fall over the edge. I'm working in restraint. What we need to bear in mind is as I change my body position, so as I kneel down to do the job, I might need to release the work restraint lanyard a little bit more to get to the point of work. As I come back in, my body position changes, we're going to get slack in the system, and I might need to just adjust that position. As I move back out of the way from the edge, I can take the slack in so I'm protected from the consequences and distance of a fall. I may then use my fall arrest lanyards again onto suitable anchor points so I can remove my restraint system, and I'm then able to come back into a safe point of work on a working platform.